Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eli Arquero. Kamusta kayong lahat? A few days ago, as you can see from the title of the video, I was able to play again with GG Vibes. GG Vibes is here in Canada as part of their US and Canada tour. So dumating sila May 8 and they left yesterday, May 11. I met Jake and Romeo the next day, May 9. I got an Evo and fetched them at Max's restaurant in Burnaby and then brought them to Canada Place. And then after that, pumunta kami ng Breca in downtown kasi doon nag-work si Rachel. Too bad kasi originally dapat makikita kami ng morning. So they had to do some stuff. So hindi natuloy yung morning namin. Nakita kami after lunch. Pinatikim ko yung coffee kasi gusto ko makita nila kung saan nag-work si Rachel. And then I drove them back to Surrey kasi meron pa silang isa pang meet and greet. Sayang wala nakakuha ng video na nagkita-kita kami lahat. Grabe. Tuntua kaming lahat kasi tagal namin di nakita, right? Bye-bye!
Adi, picture ako kayo.
I love you.
Alam mo na? Ayos, sila dito.
So that night, Jeff Toledo drove me and Oyus to a bar in downtown near Gastown. Galing nung banda, nakakatuwa. It was my first time going out at night. Kahit isang taon na ako dito kasi syempre dito mas gusto ko na sa bahay, ganun. Pero first time ko lumabas, I had a drink, I had a glass of beer, and it was a fun night. The next day, I had to prepare my stuff and drive to Surrey kasi andun yung show. So it was a 30-minute drive going to Surrey and I rented an Evo. Kasi dito sa Vancouver, pwede kang mag-rent ng car tapos pwede mong iwanan anywhere. Evo yung name nung company or nung app na you can drive, you can rent a car. Basta kung makita mo dyan, you can book it through the app. Tapos, kahit saan mo iwanan sa Vancouver. Kaya nakakatuwa yung app. So, yung show ng GG Vibes is in Surrey. It's a 30-minute drive from where I live. Kasi I live in Vancouver mismo. South Vancouver. Sila sa Surrey yung show. So, I had to drive for 30 minutes going there. We did a sound check. So naghintay lang kami for a few hours kasi may mga opening acts. Nakakatuwa kasi I was able to perform again. Siyempre kasama yung mga kabanda ko dati na dekada na kami tumutugtog. Si John meron siyang MD mic. Sasabihin lang niya, okay, intro ng Through the Fire, ballad. Ikaw yung intro, tapos second part ng chorus yung tutugtugin. So ganun yung show, ganun tuwakbo yung show. Tapos, okay, sa LA, in the next few bars, solo ka, punta ka sa harapan. Ganon yung show. So sila, they've been doing the show ng ilang beses na. Tapos dinagdag lang ako. Here are a few snippets of the show. Enjoy!
I used to stay here in Vancouver for a couple of years. And
Daddy! Bring the iPad! It's Daddy!
they have dominated the concert scene here and abroad. They have ruled the music industry with their world-class talent. They are Gigi Delana and the GG Vibes. Vibe with their signature music. Sing your heart out. This is your chance to go all out and rock on. Gigi Delana and the GG Vibes. Get ready. This is real GG.
Masaya ba kayo na nandito kami? Ngayong gabi? Parang mahina eh, no? Mahina. Masaya po ba kayo? Okay! Good night! May energy.
Alam mo, mas masaya tayo kasi
yan!
nandito si L.A. Arquero!
Special tong gabi na to para sa amin.
Yes.
Kompleto.
Parang day one ka doon.
Sasayaw si L.A.
Promise.
Tapos pinag-drink. Okay na? So, ganun ata inom mong tubig.
I love you, Nina.
Anyways, good evening, Vancouver! Ayan, I'm really happy to be here. I'm Gigi Delana together with...
I'm Opa Jake! I'm Don Romeo! Ako po si Oyus! Ako po si Ellie! Ako po si John!
You know, I'm very, very happy because we are complete. Super complete.
Parang vitamins, no?
If alam nyo, guys, if you've witnessed our first few videos of our covers on our YouTube channel, LA was there. LA was our first guitarist. So let's give him a big round of applause. So parang Rated Gigi reunited. Oh.
Wow.
Wow! Especially here in Vancouver! Oh my gosh! And everybody, this is Rated Gigi, the world tour. And actually,
So during this part, sabi ni Oyus, Ellie, punta ka sa harapan after ng solo ko. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully, I'll see you in the US tour. Bye!